100% polyester. Complete with supportive memory foam topper providing soothing sleeping or leisure. Product note: please allow 24 to 72 hours for your mattress to regain its full shape. Any memory foam will expand faster in a warmer room. In cold temperature, at delivery, your mattress may take a bit longer to return to full-sized from its compressed state. The expansion time of the mattress will vary as per the surrounding. Ideal solution to temporary sleeping accommodations, perfect for unexpected sleep over guests. Portable and comfortable topper, support neck and back when people sleep on it. Easily folded up for storage in a closet in seconds when not in use. Kindly refer to user manual provided under technical specification before use. 4-inch tri-folding memory foam topper is the ideal option for visitors, sleepovers, car trips, camping or dorm room bed. Portable and comfortable topper, support the back or neck when people sleep on it. Complete with supportive memory foam topper providing soothing sleeping. Top reviews from the United States. Key to full foam. First off, I bought this for car camping, glamping. I ditched blow-up camp beds for this foldable memory foam mattress and slept so much better while camping. Felt like I was sleeping at home. Now I've seen a lot of reviews about memory foam mattresses not expanding all the way, and in my experience with memory foam mattress they will not expand all the way in the cold or room temp. You have to leave them in some kind of heat like a hot garage or a hot room for a day or two. It works for me every time. I've used a room in my house where the AC doesn't work too well and sun beats on that side of the house for most of the day, and I've used my garage also. Works every time.